Hey everybody, Terry Grover with the Catamaran Company here in beautiful Marathon, Florida, aboard SUNBELIEVABLE. I want to give you a good look at this boat. She is a 2008 Fountaine Pajot Salina 48. She's only had 2 owners, both of which were avid sailors, so super low engine hours at 1500, and both owners super meticulous. So you're going to see on this boat that the electronics are new, the bottom paint was just done. Just really, really gorgeous. From this vantage point, one thing that really sets the Salina apart is this sun deck here, where the tender tucks up underneath it, protecting your tender from any kind of sun damage, and makes a great layout spot. As you can see over there, the Starlink antenna, that router and everything is already in place, and that will transfer with the boat. You just have to get your own subscription to it. Come on, let's take a look. As we walk around SUNBELIEVABLE, you get a really good idea of this swim platform and how the dinghy tucks up underneath her. Just a great design. Of course, again, is the Starlink antenna with the magma grill that's piped into the main propane system. Take a walk around the front here. You can see her solar panels, which are all new. Sails are in good shape. Come forward. It's her bowsprit, so she's fully downwind rigged. It's got the winch in the back for the downwind sail. Anchor locker down here, being nice and clean. Walk back. Very open helm. The Fountaine Pajot were the ones that came up with this split helm design, which is super handy and ergonomically designed. And the seat here can seat 3, maybe even 4 easily. Of course, all these electronics are new here. Got electric winch to handle. All the lines run back here, so very easy for single handing. Down into her very spacious cockpit. Just a fantastic design. The Salina was the predecessor to the Saona 47 and now the Tanna 47, which are touted to be some of the best sailing catamarans production ever made. They're a nice combination of comfort and performance, and just a joy to sail. Big locker here. Again, her salon, just absolutely gorgeous. I mean, the woodwork is fantastic. Like walking into a showroom, a time machine, if you will. So we'll start over in the galley. Here we've got the TV, which is hooked into Starlink. The Starlink system will come with the boat. You just need to get your own subscription to it. Gas oven here. Ice maker, isotherm, right there. It's the 3-burner stove. Plenty of room. I love this U-shaped galley. It gives you good protection underway in case you're in some heavy weather. And you've got it's kind of guarded on 3 sides. Refrigerator, freezer here with another one forward, which is a drop-in. So these electronics again, all new. Down below, generator and water maker control. We go down our port side. So port side, moving aft. As you can see, great natural sunlight and walk around bed, easy to make the bed. Storage underneath, storage to the sides. Hanging locker. right here. She's a 4-cabin, 4-head version. The heads been redone. They've got electric flush heads, new faucet, shower nozzle, the semi-dry head, which is really great. It's got a little shower curtain, so you're not spraying water all over the head. All 4 heads are designed that way. This side in the hallway is a kind of storage and tool area. Opposite this on the port side is a little day bed. I'll show you that. So moving forward, semi walk-around berth here, still a queen size. Has the hatch to go up into a 4-peak so you can access storage there. Of course, all independent air conditioning controls. Cubby hole storage there. Hanging locker here. And then the head, which those are identical. All the fixtures are new and everything. Walk away across to the starboard side. Another great look at this beautiful galley. I'm looking back at the dining table. Very airy feeling in here. Just a lot of great light. So we'll come down, starboard side forward. Again, the identical semi-walk around with the hatch into the 4-peak. Lots of storage. I'll turn around and show you this little day bed here. So as you come down to the stairs and turn aft, just a little day bed. You know, for if you're doing watch, you could, great place to crash out and still be in communication with somebody at the helm. Moving aft into the 4th stateroom. So this is starboard aft. Again, the walk around bed, hanging locker, storage, and semi-dry head, new fixtures, electric flush toilet, all the creature's comforts. Just a really beautiful boat. As I said, the owner of this boat, he's a second owner, avid sailor, actually owns a larger Fountaine Pajot now. That's the reason he's selling this boat. He bought it from the original owner. They were down in the Caribbean when he bought it. Both sailors. So the engine hours are low, generator hours are low, and just kept in just great shape. Current owner, he lives here in the wintertime in Marathon and takes the boat and go over to the Bahamas, just a real short hop away there. So working from the bow aft, you can just see how the sun glistens off this boat, which really points to the amount of meticulous care that the owner has taken. You know, I've been on a lot of boats before, and for a 2008, it's just really something else that this boat is in such condition. The owner has purchased a Ipanema, Fountaine Pajot Ipanema 58. Just doesn't need 2 boats. I'm kind of a fan of the traditional traveler and single main sheet rig. Some people like the German rig, which is pretty popular nowadays. I'm kind of particular. I'm kind of old school. Well, there's your tour of Sunbelievable. Definitely worth the drive down to Marathon to come see her. You know, it's a great little drive. Okay, maybe it's 45, 55 mile an hour the whole way, but just gorgeous. Where else can you head southbound, you look to the left and it's the Atlantic Ocean, and look to the right and it's the Gulf of America now, I guess. Anyway, worth the hop down. Look forward to seeing you. We have a caretaker that's full-time here, so the boat is available for showing at any time. Give me a call, Terry Grover, Captain Terry at Catamaran Company. Terry.grover@catamarans.com or 832-771-6230. Thanks. Look forward to hearing from you.